Salut and welcome! Are you ready to finally speak French naturally and confidently? Whether you're traveling, working or chatting with friends, the Rocket French Play the Part course is designed to get you there. In this video, we'll explore the Rocket French Play the Part system, a conversation-focused course that takes you beyond textbook French and into real natural conversations with native speakers. To give you a clear understanding of how it works, we'll take a look at how the course is structured, what each lesson contains, the cultural insights included, how role-playing conversations helps you speak confidently, vocabulary practice using Rocket Record, activities that turn new knowledge into skills you can actually use. So let's start with the big picture. This is Play the Part, where everything you've already learned about French comes together and starts sounding like real conversation. On the left, you'll see 3 modules. Each module contains 10 lessons, and each lesson focuses on 2 real-life conversations you're likely to have in French, helping you practice speaking in realistic situations from the comfort of your own home. Now let's open up one of those lessons. Each lesson sets the scene, introduces the conversation theme, and gives useful cultural insights, the kind of details that really matter if you're traveling or living in France. From there, you'll step into the role and practice the first conversation, responding just as a native speaker would.
Bonjour, comment puis-je vous aider?
Bonjour, je voudrais 2 pains au chocolat et une baguette, s'il vous plaît.
Bien sûr. Et avec ceci?
Je prendrai aussi un pain complet tranché.
Pas de problème. Autre chose?
Non, c'est tout, merci.
7,35 € s'il vous plaît.
Prenez-vous la carte?
Non, nous n'acceptons que des liquides.
D'accord, une seconde. Voilà. Every lesson includes 2 conversations built around the same theme. They explore slightly different scenarios and give you repeated exposure to key language patterns as they naturally appear in spoken French. Next comes the vocabulary section. At this stage, vocabulary is often the missing piece between knowing how to build sentences and actually speaking French naturally. Here you'll expand your vocabulary within the lesson topic while actively practicing. As you work through each phrase, you can use Rocket Record to record yourself, listen back, and fine-tune your pronunciation.
Le goûter.
Le goûter. Le goûter. Training your brain and mouth to speak like a native speaker. At the end of each lesson, you'll find activities designed to reinforce what you've learned. First up are flashcards. You can switch between English and French, rate each phrase, and flag anything you'd like to revisit later by marking it as good or hard. Just like in levels 1, 2, and 3, phrases come with literal translations and helpful notations, so you're never left guessing what the correct response should be. You'll also see a heart icon on every phrase in the activities. Use it to save tricky phrases and build your own personalized practice activity. The next activity is listening. You'll hear a native speaker.
Le goûter.
Le goûter. Repeat what you hear and then assess how you did. Then there's the writing activity.
Le pain.
Type what you hear, no French keyboard required, and strengthen your spelling and listening skills at the same time.
Le pain.
And finally, the speaking activity. You'll see an English prompt, say the French out loud, and train your brain for faster, more natural recall. Voilà.
Voilà.
Just like in real conversation. This lesson format repeats throughout Play the Part, giving you a consistent structure and all the tools you need to take your spoken French further. By the end, you'll move from knowing phrases to using them naturally and confidently in real conversations. With Rocket French's lessons and practice tools, you're ready to start speaking like a native speaker. I'll see you inside the course.